Next is voluntary reference to arbitration under Section 10A. Section 10A provides that any industrial dispute exists or is apprehended and employer and the workman agree to refer the dispute to arbitration. Under Section 12, the dispute has been referred to the labor court or tribunal or the national tribunal and then by a written agreement and referred it to the arbitrator, then it can be done. Then under an amendment applicable in a state of Maharashtra, a recognized union may agree with the employer to refer such dispute and the same accordingly. Then Section 10A, when a reference is made to the arbitration, then the parties should make a written agreement and refer the dispute to the arbitration. Essential elements of a valid reference to arbitration by agreement. Now we are going to see the essential elements. There are total 6 points are there. So there must be an existing or apprehended industrial dispute. Then the agreement to refer the dispute to arbitration must be in writing. Under Section 10, the reference of dispute should be made to arbitrator before referring it to the labor court, tribunal or national tribunal. Agreement must specify the names of the arbitrator or arbitrators. Under the Section 10A, presiding officer of the labor court, tribunal or national tribunal may be an arbitrator. An arbitration agreement should be in a prescribed form and should be signed by the parties. It is essential that a copy of arbitration agreement should be forwarded to the appropriate government and to the conciliation officer. Appropriate government should publish the same in the official gazette within the 1 month of a receipt of a such copy. So in this voluntary reference to arbitration under Section 10A, we have seen the two conditions. Then under the Section 12, dispute must be referred to the labor court, tribunal or national tribunal. Then it must be in a written agreement and referred it to the arbitrator, then it can be done. Means first it should be referred to the arbitrator and then it will be referred to these 3 courts. Then Section 10A we have seen. Then what are the essential elements of a valid reference to the arbitration by agreement? In that 6 points are present.